I don't dance, I just supposed to be in the back, but see she got me in a trance. Her glute is so fat, and then she did it with no hands. So I left the mind there right before that I was pulling up my pants. She said, bring it closer, I ain't got no minutes, that you got to breathe, said out of bed. You can't be choosing, can't be booing, can't be covering, first night tugging, then be ducking first person shooter. I was in a time like this, but the club closing soon. And you know what my mind is, I get excited, then I howl at your phone. And you got your ass out like a baboon. I hope you don't got that funky, stinky pinky is not allowed. Blow the whistle, not a flagrant, but a fragrance foul. Time out, might get the club for this one, but you bout that action, improv acting, will the end without traction. Look here, you say you bout it, I don't doubt it. You say you with it, then I'ma get it. You say you want it, then I'm on it. There's no acting, we was having, so throw it at me like hold up, hold up, hold up. She bout that action, hold up. She bout that action, hold up, hold up, hold up. She bout that action, hold up, we gon' go hold up, right, she bout that action. And you gotta say this. Let me see you twerking, hey, twerking, see you twerking, look at she twerking. I ain't seen no booty do that, usually you is so amazing. When you walk, look like you skating, when you stop, your booty still shaking. Got a deep little sit up and raised in a place where they make big booties at a very young age. Looking with that good food on your plate, cause I taught you how to bounce and shake. You being about that, being out that, twerk in the club, get tears out that, make a rich man spit his hands out that. Let me wanna know to my friend about that. Get the bitch up, throw that, like a bitch up, throw that, pose for the bitch up, throw that. Use the break house and I need it, don't man, roll that, know that. You should let me hold that. Once you ride with me, just don't go me back. It's like a jungle in my habitat. With the girls with all of that habitat. Now back, shake, pop, twerk, move it over here. You got booty like a pirate ship. I'm at the commandeer, eh?
You say you got it, I don't doubt it. You say you get it, and I'll get it. Say you want it, then I'm on it.
There's no acting, we was having, so throw that like hold up. She bout that action, hold up. She bout that action, hold up. She bout that action, hold up. She bout that action. Got a name. I don't know how to do that stuff for real. Y'all enjoying yourself? We got a couple more that we gonna get out y'all face. I got what it takes to shut you up, but my zipper stuff. Look, they said I'm in there with the love, cause I don't give it up. I made a vow that I wouldn't be known as the black boy that raps with the white boy. I'd rather be known as the black boy that can't go and mess it up. Look, don't worry about my name, most can't pronounce the stuff anyway. I'm the dude that's always low-key, while in the back, then don't know how to act when I sit the stage. But can't count on time, gotta make time count to the word exposed. Look, so if you're gonna be around me, here's some little things you should know. Look, don't come to me with that booty chatter, I'll plug the hole. Quit talking like you a cholo boy, just find my nose. If you do come around me, trying to hit me with the okey doke, then I'm lacing up my sapping dose and I gotta go. Hey, I said, I say adios. What's that? I say adios. I say adios. Y'all want this? You want to rap? I'll just one more time. Just rap. Is that right? Look, man, we straight came from work to here. Like, I got dirt on my arms and stuff. We built a retaining wall all day. That's all we did. And I was like, boss, it's 5. We gotta go. He was like, alright, go. I was like, thanks. So now we're here. It's like that. Go! Good story, right? Better ending. You just had to tell him, man. Dang, it's real, man. We got work in the morning. Tell him. We got work in the morning. Y'all give it up for Teddy on the drums. This that go in, that roll in, that bust about of your bone is, that battle of your side of town with a power truth of explosive. This smoke is so potent, the folks gon' know tears. I pull up a few for that hoe is with a bad chick and them close friends. I walked in when I was broken. I'm trying to see how hard the Let it break the windows of a 100-story tower. Let it rain clouds like a 9/11 shower. Never be the coward, hate get sour. Let it make some lemonade, even go hate, cause that's all life gave them. And they don't have the power to make the best out of bad anyway. But my people gon' get that paper. My people gon' be alright, though. We do this 24/7. Don't stay real little bit soccer. We got high hopes, walking tightrope. Give a life hope, what we die for. Ain't no ifs, ands, but we might blow. Cause we go hard and you got to know this. That go in, that go in, that go in, that go. This that go in, that go in, that go in, that go. I got that go, jumping like a pogo, jumping like a snowball in your truck. You turn your head and I can't go. Cause you know that ain't go.
This that go in, shake, go in, shake, go in, shake, go.
I can do it.
That go in, shake, go in, shake, go in, shake, go.
I got that go, like a woo, like a snowball. I'm a Drake addict. I'm a Drake addict. This Drake. Look, what it be like? Spit that automatic green light. No eggs in hand, but I'm throwing ass like the guy go big. Psycho kid, flex to the beat like a psycho sick. I did it like Michael sick. They say this life's crazy, I'm thinking yeah, maybe. But in the meantime, I think I might go in. Homie, watch your lip. If you ever speak negative about this, I don't have a list. But I spit on any beat, I'm a grown ass man. I don't care what you think, homie, I got kids. Leaving marks everywhere I go. You can catch my skins, I'm from the east side, all the way across that bridge. Contain me, not a big enough lid, and I got heart. What you gotta try your wrist? That too pearly, sorry excuse when I heard your tune. I laughed so hard like I watched the Goonies movie. Got who it to me. No rookies, pro-ish, artifact white out, stay O-ish. When the song come on, everybody get the toilet paper. And your air pressure, cause it's that go in, shit, go in, shit, go in, shit, go. It's that go in, shit, go in, shit, go in, shit, go. I got that go, jumping like a pogo, jumping like a snowball in your trunk. Turn your head and I am gone, cause you know I got that go. It's that go. I got that go, like a pogo, it's a ball in your trunk. Yo, cause you know this ain't that go is, oh is, that artifact, that woe is. Let's take it down south, say oh. Let's say this, you the man, I'm like no. I get it jumping like a deacon in the pulpit. That 4-5, got a full clip. Man, I ain't on that bullshit, but I got a clip full of hitters that wood. It's not like I pack them out wide with the wood tip. No suburb, this hood ish. So when you out there doing bad, I'm in the crib on good trick. Stevie Wonder can't see me. Homie MC Hammer can't touch this. I'm getting cake in and out the state with Abraham Lincoln on the license plate. Street doorway bar. We in the building. My middle finger's up. Bump how y'all feeling. And I got that go, jumping like a pogo, jumping like a sub off in your trunk. You got to know the SC go down. East St. Louis is where I'm from. This is that go. Alright, make some noise for DJ Snow one more time. DJ Snow! Hey, make some noise for DJ Circle as well, you know what I'm saying? Oh, damn. Hey, we are going away, and that is our time, man. We appreciate everybody for showing us love. Yeah, you know, we got the Vista, we got stunts, we got kids on drums. Yeah, we got kids rapping. We got white dudes rapping some crazy shit. I don't know who that dude was, but he was tight. This is a not cussing show. Forgot. Y'all be cool, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.